day.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the gold futures chart. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my free analysis group over on Telegram, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. But let's have a look at the gold futures. In front of me is the 1 hour chart, and it's clear to me that we do seem to be forming a head and shoulders pattern. There's your left shoulder. Could potentially be forming the head at this moment in time, and if that was the case, then we could see a pullback down towards this neckline, and and then from there we could have another minor rally. And the big question is whether we hold or break that neckline going forward. If we break, fantastic, it should cause a significant rally towards the upside, but if we break, it takes us back down to 1600. So lots of questions to be asked with regards to the gold market, but let's just have a little zoom out here. Let's go and have a look at the gold markets in the daily time frame. So let's just make this all a bit cleaner for us to see. Now, we've broken out of this downtrend that we've been in for the past couple of days now and weeks, so that should be significant. And looking at the gold chart from this daily chart, it does suggest that we're probably going to go and target the 50-day EMA now up at around 1715. So the daily chart is suggesting that we are slightly more bullish than what the hourly chart is with regards to the head and shoulders pattern. So I think that going into next week, we are going to see a slight capitulation in the stock market. I would not be surprised to see stocks fall another 2 to 3%. I want to see the S&P 500 briefly break below 3,600 and the Nasdaq 100 to break below 11,000. Once we get that, and I think that would potentially cause gold to pull back. And I think that is the dip that you then should be allocating a significant amount of money to the gold charts, because I think that going through until the month of November, we are likely to see a nice rally here in the gold markets, which could potentially take you above 1700. Big question is whether we do break above this resistance area here, which has kept us in a downtrend pretty much for the whole year so far of 2023, as we all know. So that is the big question, but I think it's definitely possible that we can get up to 1715. Now, I had some comments on my YouTube channel as well yesterday saying, Max, why are you now bullish? You've been saying that gold's going to go to 1500, and I want to make it clear that my bias is still that gold does end up down at 1500. Gold is meant to be a safe haven when times go to shit. Basically, investors go and allocate their money to gold. Now, this year we've had everything negative that could possibly happen, especially with regards to Russia and Ukraine. It's meant to be an inflation hedge, gold as well. And look at gold. Look how poorly it has performed so far this year. So it's missed the boat. So I still do believe we end up down near 1500 going into year end, but that doesn't mean that we can't have a little bear market rally towards that the top side of this downtrend that we've been trading for. So a nice rally up towards 1700 from here still gives a very attractive percentage rate of 2.5% rise from here. So short term buy here of the gold markets, medium to long term, I still believe we go down to 50.
Million barrels per day.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.